Good morning, guys. It has been a crazy morning. If you watched the last video that we did, guys, we just went 61 for 61 wins on this channel. This has been crazy. This was actually a profit secured in here of 21.53%. That was for 50%, and we just moved the stop loss in here to guarantee some more profit for us. So congrats, guys. We just hit 61 for 61 trades on this channel. We have not lost that any trades at all. And I'll actually show this to you guys. This is the exit up here. We're already dropping down. Sent this out in Telegram. People probably, crashing the price a little bit. We got a lot of big traders in our Telegram group, so make sure you guys are updating that. In this video, I want to actually go over VET. So this trade is very interesting. So let's go over this. I'll show you guys exactly how to get into our next trades. In just a second here, I'm going to go over the analysis, and then I'll show you guys everything. I promise. Just watch the whole video. I'll show you exactly how to set up your next trades. So let's jump into VET. The entry here was called out for a buy limit on October 11th, okay? October 11th. And then what happened in here is that I basically came out here and I said, you guys, we need to get in here, and then we're going to exit this move up here once we got into the profit on the 13th. This was a 50% exit at basically, we'll call this 0.112, okay? So on the 11th, we got into the buy limit. We then ended up moving up here, and I called a 50% exit at 11 cents. Everybody got out. Great job. Everybody made money. What we ended up doing once the 50% was hit is I moved the stop loss on the 13th down here just so we wouldn't lose any money. But what has happened here on the 14th, since we were moving up so high, which was after this exit, I moved our stop loss, our trailing stop up here. The reason why I moved this so high was because of the trend exhaustion and the whale money flow. I was looking for a possible move back down in the market. So I wanted to get everybody out of here so you guys could secure some profits, which that was 11.23% profit. So this trade's officially closed. So great job for everybody who ended up locking in at the top 11.23%. This trade is gone. So what you guys are going to see on the next time I do the VET video is the next trade setup, and I'll show you guys how to get into that in 1 second. Let's go over the prediction of where this can go, and I'll show you how to get into the next trade. This is the reason why you guys need the well money flow and the trend exhaustion on your charts. The reason why I was able to call this exit up here, fairly close to the top, was because we saw the trend exhaustion reach the top as well as the well money flow. This was moving up to the top right around these candles, and we saw the positive correlation of the price moving down. The last time we ended up getting up to the top red section here was just barely, it didn't even actually get to the top red, but we saw this push up here. Well money flow is, above the middle point here. We couldn't go any further. We saw a decline in the price. Okay, great. Moving over here, we see that the trend exhaustion pushed up in the top red zone, as well as the well money flow up here was actually starting to move back down here a little bit while we were trying to push up to this another higher high here. Could not handle it, and price moved back down. Okay. The previous time before that, the trend exhaustion was up here, as well as the well money flow was in the top section, giving us a sign that, hey, we don't want to be holding on to long trades here or FOMOing into long trades. We want to be getting our buy limit set up and get this on discount because this ended up crashing back down. This is why you guys need these indicators on your chart so you can predict the moves back up. Now, look at this down here. This over here was showing us that we basically hovered in the bottom red zone for these candles right here. If you guys pull those moves down, it's actually right within this downtrend right there. What was happening down here, when we got to the bottom here, it said this is bottoming out. This was obviously bottoming out, so I was expecting to have us picked up on this buy limit pretty fast. Great. We got in here. We did not FOMO into the top, guys. We were patient. We got it on discount, and we rode it back up. These indicators are doing a very good job at predicting the markets up and down. That's why you guys need them. Now, let's transition over, and let's actually go over the actual metrics. Here, I'll show this to you guys real quick so you guys can just know this, and I'll get this out of the way. The price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, these indicators are going up in price, okay? You guys have 16 days left, and the well money flow is going up. The bundle pack is the best thing to get here, just so you guys know, because this is not going to go up in price, but it will go up in value. So the price stays the same, and it's a ridiculous discount you guys get on all of our indicators. You actually get 4 other indicators on top of all these. I highly suggest, guys, come over here, follow my charts, get them set up so you guys can predict the moves up and down, and I will be calling out moves with these in the Telegram channel as well. You need to understand how to use these and get them on your charts so you guys can use them properly and watch the moves up and down. Okay, let's go over here to VET, and then I'll show you guys at the end of this video how to set up the next trade setups and all that good stuff. Okay, for VET in here, I am looking for this to possibly push us into, let me come here. We were pushed up here to the top section. Okay, great. Where were we pushing up? We were getting closer to the excited excited area than what? Than the anxious area. So when retail traders are looking more excited or when they're looking more greedy, what we are looking for is for the price to reverse back down because wells and institutions are shorting all of the the greedy emotions, to be honest, guys, of the retail traders. Retail traders are like, man, this thing's going to just keep going up, going up. Most of them are buying. I can prove that to you because we have 4 green candles in a row. What are we doing on this channel? We are selling our positions because we have indicators in here that are like, no, don't buy, don't buy. It's like we're screaming it out, don't buy. And everybody like bought into this run up here and now they're moving down, they're holding it. Like they're literally holding in a loss while we just won a 12% trade. There's a huge difference, guys, from how we're trading versus how retail traders trade. And we always start the metrics with the emotional index to see what retail traders are doing so we can trade opposite of them. Follow me down here. This is showing that it's pushing up into the excited area. Come down here. What was happening over here? Before you guys even see the price go up, before the price went up, the metrics over here on wells and institutions were acquiring long trades. Where were the long trades acquired? Right down here. Exactly where we got our buy limits in. Okay, guys, I've coached big clients. We have the average coaching call I do is between $100,000 to $1 million that I coach. There are a lot of people in that Telegram doing that. I've coached hedge funds before. I actually coded this metric after learning about coaching with hedge funds and as well as the emotional index. And I told them, I was like, guys, if we could understand how the emotions of the market work and we could understand where smart money was getting in, we could get really good entries. That is what this is for down here. So this was clearly showing us that you guys should not have been selling like a lot of people were doing. It was time to accumulate. This is your 50-inch TV at Best Buy on discount. It's not time to sell, it's time to buy. Okay, great. Let's move over to where we're currently at. This is showing us the metric came out and what did they do yesterday? This is why I do not update these metrics and do videos after 8 a.m. There's no integrity if I do that. Now, I do this sometimes like for Bitcoin because I want to do a weekend analysis, but 99% of our videos, I'm always doing before 8 a.m. because it proves to you guys the accuracy of this. What were you seeing yesterday? The metric came out here and said short trades were being accumulated for wells, institutions, and smart money. What happened? The price dropped yesterday. Like, here's the perfect correlation. Short trades coming out. What happens? The price drops. Long trades come out for smart money. What happens? The price goes up. There you guys go. The perfect correlation right there. Before the price goes, long trades increase. Before the price dropped, short trades increased. I'm telling you guys, this is calling the market so well. Okay, long for short trade risk. This is showing that we are pushing up into the great short trade area. That's awesome because we pushed up into the short trade area up here, and that's why we ended up getting a drop back down. This is going to click for some of you guys. You're like, oh my gosh, this is why I keep losing trades. I'm actually trading emotionally with quote unquote dumb money and not with smart money. You guys switch that up. Follow our entries in our Telegram channel. This is how we're winning 61 for 61 trades. Now, question I get sometimes, guys, you're like, where's the long and short trade data? There actually isn't long and short trade data for Bitfinex available for the public for VET or Matic for whatever reason. When they add it, I'll add it. I promise, because I want it. Okay, real quick, we're going to take a look at support resistance prices, and I'll teach you guys how to get into our next trade setup so you can actually win our next trade setup. This was showing a strong resistance up here at 12 cents. Awesome. Great. 12 cents was right up here. We ended up dropping from the double top, one top, two top, double top. Where are we going to move back down? Where's the catch point here? The greatest structure or accumulation of structures for support is down here at about 10 to 11 cents. So let's look at 10 to 11 cents. 11 cents puts us right here. 10 cents puts us right down here. I will tell you guys, the buy limit for this trade is not too far away from the entry right here. So make sure you guys get that set up, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second here. Dollar cost average entries. If this is not the perfect call for an entry, I don't know what it is, guys. So are we going to call the bottoms every single time? No. I'm not even going to try to say that. That's not wise. This indicator here is going to give you guys great places. If you have like $10,000 and you want to just throw $1,000 into the market every time you get a green line and hold for 5 to 10 years, awesome. This is for the holders and the diamond hands out there. So shout out to the holders and the diamond hands, okay? If you guys want to put money in here, you're doing fantastic right now. What can you do once you're in here and you want to look to take profit, or you're simply in a long trade and want to take profit? Look for the exit points. This is telling you where we're looking for prices structure to possibly move back down in the market. It's been very accurate calling drops here. Now, what happens when the price structure moves up? You simply, guys, you just look to take some profit along the way. Okay, let's move into this. You guys know the profits. People are doing incredible in here. Basically, another $1,000 this guy made for VET. This is just this last week. Travis, just as you predicted, I made $1,100 on VET. Thank you. Awesome, man. Good job making $1,000. By the way, our membership is literally $49 a month. People are doing insane in here. $1,000 in 1 month, paid for his membership for life. This guy in here, 4 for 4 wins, $1,700 profit over the last 8 days. This guy, 22% on ADA, 39% on Doge, 29% on VET. Great. $500 on Shib in here. Like, yeah, I love showing you guys bigger profits in here when we've got like bigger traders doing $14,000 in 5 hours with our indicators and our metrics. But sometimes I love showing you guys this $500 with the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. They have our indicators. They've got our system. $8,000 here in 2 weeks. Really incredible. Moving down here just to do a couple more and then I'll wrap this up. Show you guys how to enter this. It took his account from 33,000 to 40,000. Awesome. Great. This guy made $1,000 while he slept. Probably my favorite testimonial. And it just goes on and on here. $2,000 here in 2 days. Guys down here doing $6,000 on Solana and $10,000 profit on ADA, bigger accounts. So really good job. Okay. Here's how you guys trade with us. Go to pricing. Click this down here. It's $49 a month. You get access to all of our metrics that I just showed you for all these coins, as well as maybe the most important part is the buy limit. So here's what you're going to do, and we're going to use VET for an example. Click this right now this morning, okay? I have updated buy limits this morning for Doge, Matic, Solana, and VET. I'm going to use this for an example because I want to keep it private for paid subscribers. Here's what you're going to do on all of our coins. Get set up right now for as many coins as you want and follow these instructions. $49 a month, snag that. What you're going to do is look at any of these cryptos. You are then going to put 4 buy limits into your exchange. If you have $4,000 as an example, simply split it into 25% increments. That's $1,000 each. If you got $1,000, what would you put at each buy limit? $250, guys. This is very simple. All right. First buy limit price here, second, third, fourth. 25% increments. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're just going to set a sell limit in your exchange at the first yellow line above the buy limit. If you have any questions, watch this video down here or simply just click the FAQ page and it will literally answer everything for you. If you have questions, email me. So step 1, membership, $49 a month. Set up your buy limits. 3, click the Telegram channel down here. This is a private link, so I don't want to open this. It will show a hot link. Click that once you're logged into Telegram, and it will add you over into the channel where I'm calling exits. I'm giving you guys updates for everything that I'm doing, as well as you guys are getting YouTube videos. Maybe one of the most important parts here is, guys, get the indicators before the prices go up, okay? This is going up in 16 days. I'm also going to be raising the price of the trend exhaustion before the end of the year and these other indicators. The bundle pack is not going to go up in price this month, okay? This is going to have appreciating value. So this is why you guys need to get this now, because this is going to stay the same as these increase. Yes, someday I will be looking to increase the value of the bundle pack, but right now it is ridiculously cheap and you get all of our indicators plus another 4. I'm not trying to turn this into a big sales video, but here's what you need if you want to make money. You need the membership. That unlocks the buy limits. You need the indicators. That unlocks the predictions of where we're exiting in the market if I'm not able to call a profitable exit on the Telegram channel. I showed you guys yesterday, people, you guys, depending on when you get into a trade, I'm going to still be managing trades while you guys are in trades. You're going to see that. You need to know where to exit, and that's where you guys need to exit is when the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flows in the top red section and it's at the top prices. This is where we're historically moved down, and that's where you guys need to be exiting by yourself, if I don't call it out, 25 to 50% profits. You guys will secure so much more profit at such better prices if you guys just have these on your chart. So that's why I want to just give you guys everything you need to know. So congrats, guys. 61 for 61 wins on this channel. We are going for, my personal goal, guys. My personal goal is 70 for 70 wins at the end of this month. I don't want to be aggressive. Let's go for 65 for 65 wins first. What you guys need to do is set up your buy limits, get your membership, get the indicators, come over here, set everything up, and let's get into these next trades on crypto, and I'll keep you guys updated. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing weekend. I take Saturday and Sunday off, so you won't see me over here, but I will be back Monday to help you guys with anything you need. Get these set up, indicators, membership, come trade with us, and let's make some more money. See you guys.